The Battle of Osaka. This battle was between Tokugawa army and the Toyotomi army. Yukimura was the leader of 3,500 warriors and fought with an enemy of 15,000 and amazingly won by driving Tokugawa warriors to the walls. The Battle of the Ilda Castle. The Tokugawa army had brought 38,000 warriors who came to the castle of Ilda belonging to the Sanada family. And the Sanada family had only 2,500 armies, which were gonna lead them on a disadvantage, right? Right? No, you are absolutely wrong. What Yukimura did was mind-blowing. He waited patiently and paused for the wall to get breached. And then, as soon as the wall came off, the Sanada armies charged out with full counter-attack, not giving the Tokugawa armies breathing space. They fought viciously, stabbing and tearing apart any Tokugawa army they see on sight. Apart all that, Yukimura set up gunmen from the roof, taking any Tokugawa army they see on sight. The funny thing is, he didn't just do it once, not twice, but 3 times. Bruh. Driving your enemy back is crazy with a lesser number of 3,500 warriors. Damn. According to historical documents, this made Tokugawa feel shame and defeat, which made him perform seppuku, killing himself near Tsushima, Osaka, in Japan. Wow.